Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shane and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing starter on my Jeep here. This is a 1997 Wrangler. So I start the Jeep fine, but when I'm going down the road or anything like that, it generally happens as I'm accelerating or hitting a bump or something. But basically the starter engages and you can hear it. It sounds just like if you were turning the key while the engine's running. It's very annoying, and so I figured it's probably something in the solenoid, contacting. So that's what I think. I don't think it's any wires or anything going down to it. I already checked them. So we got the new starter here, 60 bucks. So I'm just gonna replace it and see if that works. Cheapest on Amazon. So this is a 2.5 liter, so it's the 4-cylinder. So the 4 cylinders bolt on like this. They have this kind of plate thing, and these bolts come in from the bottom. Starter mounts like that. The 6-cylinder starters are different. They're more of a standard without this plate. Kind of nice if the bolts come up through the bottom. Makes it a little easier. So I don't have the best lighting situation here, but there's the starter. So yeah, just unbolting this and disconnecting the connections and then replacing it. So I originally wasn't sure what the problem was. The flywheel here when the motor is running wobbles a little bit, so I thought maybe that was it, but I'm pretty sure that the starter is just engaging and hitting the flywheel while it's running. It's off and on. It doesn't continuously do it. It definitely seems like a loose wire or something contacting when it shouldn't. All right, so got the old one out here. Matching them up. They look to be, looks like to be the right one. This is a bit of a different shape here, this piece, but it looks like it'll fit in there. This is just flat here. This one's not. When I was taking this off, I got some sparks. So if you're gonna do, replace your starter and all that, remember to disconnect the battery so it doesn't scare you. I'll put this new one on there now. So I'll have to take it for a drive later and see if it actually fixed the problem. So replacing the starter actually didn't work. I was driving down the road the other night and I heard it again, so I actually pulled over and got under the hood here and I checked all the wires again because I was like, what the fuck is going on here? And then I realized I should probably check the fuse box here. And so I did, and I wiggled that while the Jeep was still running, and so that made the starter go. This was it felt like it was kind of up a little bit, so I pushed it down, and then I went on my merry way, and it fixed it for a little while, but then it started to happen again to me. And at that point, I pulled this out. I saw that the middle prong was pretty corroded, and then this one over here, it was like cloudy. I guess that's still corrosion. But so I took a screwdriver and cleaned it off a little bit, and then put it back in. And that seemed to have fixed the problem so far. But it's not a total waste of time, because before, when I would start the Jeep, I would be cranking it for a while. I figured that was probably the fuel pump, not giving enough pressure, or the regulator on top of there, not enough pressure for the injector, so I had to, wait and build some pressure. But since replacing that starter, actually the thing's been starting up really quick. I'm not sure why, because the starter before sounded healthy. I guess maybe this is turning it over quicker, but it doesn't sound like it, so I don't understand. But it did fix a problem, so I'm just gonna leave it. It's a new starter. It was 60 bucks. I wasn't even thinking about the relay box, but yeah, that would have been a better place to start. But whatever, made for a decent video here. So if you enjoyed this, give it a like for me, and subscribe if you want to see more of my Jeep here. I'll be doing a review probably soon here, just showing everything that I did to it. Not that it's a lot or anything, but yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.